Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the refreshing world of coconut water and explore why you should make it a part of your daily routine. First off, hydration. If you're like me, you're constantly looking for ways to stay hydrated. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, making it an excellent natural option for hydration. Whether you're coming back from a workout or just need a pick-me-up, coconut water can replenish your body and keep you energized. Plus, let's talk about nutrients. Coconut water is low in calories and contains a variety of essential nutrients, including vitamin C and B complex. It's like nature's sports drink, but without all the added sugars and artificial ingredients. Just pure, natural goodness. Now, for those of you who are mindful of your heart health, listen up. Coconut water can help reduce blood pressure. Thanks to its high potassium content, it can counteract the effects of sodium in your diet, potentially lowering your blood pressure and supporting cardiovascular health. How cool is that? But that's not all. Coconut water is also great for your skin. Its hydrating properties can help maintain your skin's elasticity and youthfulness. So, if you're looking for a natural way to get that glow, coconut water might just be your new best friend. And here's a fun fact. Coconut water can aid in digestion. It contains bioactive enzymes that can help with digestion and metabolism. So next time you're feeling a little bloated or sluggish, a glass of coconut water might do the trick. Now let's not forget about weight management. Coconut water is low in calories and can help you feel full, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. It's a delicious and refreshing way to support your weight loss goals. Finally, coconut water can be a fantastic detox drink. It helps flush out toxins from your body and supports kidney function. Plus, it's super refreshing, making it easy to drink and enjoy every day. So, there you have it. From hydration and heart health to glowing skin and digestion, coconut water offers a plethora of benefits that make it worth adding to your daily routine. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and see you next time.